How to turn off public story and saved stories notification on Snapchat. How to turn off this option, guys. Today I will show you how to do this. Just follow the video until the end. Go first and you open your Snap. After this, when your Snap it's opening, guys, you go up and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, as you see, you go here to settings and click, then go down and click on notification, and then go down until you found public story and saved stories. You will turn off this option now by clicking on this blue icon like this, and it will work with you now. That's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.